We're back in the Peninsula suite in the Cliff Bay Hotel in Madeira. Let's see if anything's changed. We've got the luggage room. We have the bathroom. A toilet back there. And a nice big shower. We have the entrance to the bedroom and the ensuite. 2 sinks and a big shower and a toilet. And a large strange shaped bath. Some wardrobes. 2 big beds. And a nice little balcony. With a lovely view of Funchal Harbour and the bay. Big telly, dressing table. And then through here we have the kitchenette, tea and coffee and stuff. An oven, dining area. Around here we have the big living space. It's bigger than the living room in my house. And another balcony with a nice dining table. And there's the view again. Then back round here we have a dining room and another balcony with sun lounges and a view of Madeira and the sea and a beautiful wifey. Yay!